I know. Reach! Oh! Right here in front.
The wheels are up right here, right next to the boat here right now. Pretty close.
The other one on the other side. Julian? I'm trying to look for you.
Sometimes they'll actually come right up to the boat and they, kind of hang out around the boat. And those are called friendlies. These two right here, right now, straight ahead of us here. No, it's so close. I'm not gonna do anything to maneuver the boat or anything like that. So it's kind of maybe a little bit awkward angle or something like that. The whale's coming down our right side, though. I can tell you that. So if you're on the left side of the boat, go around the back side of the boat real quickly and come up on the right side here. Hopefully, they're gonna come up again. Long. It weighs now if you look in the water you see this kind of a reddish, kind of a tinge of brownish, that's different from what we were seeing just a few minutes ago. That's the bait, that's the krill down inside the water that you're seeing down there. It's absolutely just jammed in this area. You can actually almost see it. And
Right here next to us, right here next to us.
it's going to happen again right next to us.
He's going to come say hello.
He's going to come say hi to you guys. How you doing? Good morning.
See him right below the surface.
As I mentioned, guys, this guy's close, so I'm not really going to move any moves. Here we go! Boy, if you didn't get a picture there, that was
tail
awesome.
fluke.
Mother will spend a total amount of time with the cow.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
Awesome.
Now that whale that just came up on our right over here, came up on its side. Krill being pushed by the whale, trying to get away, but probably wasn't too successful. That's a pair there.
Downwind.
Now if you look into the water and you see that now the water's changed colors. Pretty good stuff.
Unbelievable. Looks like this guy kind of likes it.
And it's good. I mentioned